Exercising 17.1. Write negative sentences which have some are present and some are past. 1. I can't get into the house. A key. I haven't got a key. 2. I couldn't read the letter. My glasses. I didn't have my glasses. 3. I can't get onto the roof. A ladder. 4. We couldn't visit the museum enough time. 5. He couldn't find his way to our house. A map. 6. She can't pay her bills. Any money. 7. I can't go swimming today. Enough energy. 8. They couldn't take any pictures. A camera. 17.2. 17.2. Which alternatives are correct? Sometimes two alternatives are possible. Sometimes only one. 1. Excuse me, a pen I could borrow. Have you got? Are you having? Do you have? Both A and C are correct. 2. Time to go to the bank yesterday. A. Had you got? Did you have? Had you? 3. I need a stamp for this letter. 1. A. Do you have? B. Are you having? C. Have you got? 4. What does Jack do? A job. A. Does he have? B. Is he having? C. Has he got? 5. A lot of friends when you were a child. A. Did you have? B. Were you having? C. Had you? 6. When you worked in your last job, your own office. A. Had you? B. Have you got? C. Did you have? 17.3. Are the underlined verbs okay? Change them where necessary. 1. Is there anything you want to ask? Do you have any questions? Okay. 2. Lisa has got long hair when she was a child. Lisa had long hair. 3. Tom couldn't contact us because he hadn't our number. 4. Are you feeling okay? No, I am having a toothache. 5. Are you enjoying yourself? Are you having a good time? 6. It started to rain. I got wet because I hadn't an umbrella. 7. Will can't drive. He doesn't have a driving license. 8. Did your trip go okay? Had you any problems? 9. My friend called me when I was having breakfast. 17.4. Complete the sentences. Use an expression from the list with having the correct form. Have a baby, have a break, have a chat, have trouble, have a good flight, have a look, have lunch, have a party, have a nice time, have a shower. 1. I don't eat much during the day. I never have lunch. 2. David starts work at 8 o'clock and at 10:30. 3. Last week, it was great. We invited lots of people. 4. Excuse me, can I add your newspaper, please? 5. Jim is away on holiday at the moment. I hope he Kick. I met Anne in the supermarket yesterday. We stopped and Kevin, finding the book you wanted. No, I found it okay. Susan, a few weeks ago, it is her second child. 9. Why didn't you answer the phone? 10. You meet your friend Sally at the airport. She has just arrived. You say, "Hi Sally, how are you?" Used to do. A. Study this example situation a few years ago. These days. A few years ago. These days. Nicola doesn't travel much these days. She prefers to stay at home. But she used to travel a lot. She used to go away 2 or 3 times a year. She used to travel a lot. She traveled a lot often in the past, but she doesn't do it anymore. She used to travel. She doesn't travel now. Past now. B. Something used to happen. It happened often in the past, but no longer happens. I used to play tennis a lot, but I didn't play very much now. David used to spend a lot of money on clothes. These days he can't afford it. Do you go to the cinema much? Not now, but I used to go. We also use to for things that were true but are not true anymore. This building is now a furniture shop. It used to be a cinema. I used to think Mark was unfriendly, but now I realize he's a very nice person. I have started drinking tea recently. I never used to like it before. Lisa used to have very long hair when she was a child. C. I used to do something is past. There is no present. You cannot say I used to do. To talk about the present, use the present simple I. C. I used to do something is past. There is no present. You cannot say I used to do. To talk about the present, use the present simple I do. Compare. Past. He used to play. We used to live. There used to be. Present. He plays. We live. There is. We used to live in a small village, but now we live in London. There used to be 4 cinemas in the town. Now there is only 1. D. The normal question form is Did you used to eat a lot of sweets when you were a child? The negative form is didn't used to. Used not to is also possible. I didn't used to like him, or I used not to like him.